second day and it's our last night on the road. We're going to Matilang, but we're gonna stop for lunch in Mobok. And then, yeah, that's the plan for today. Hopefully we don't get lost again, like yesterday, but we're gonna enjoy this breakfast and hit the road. It's fucking rainy as fuck. It was worse than yesterday. It's cold. And I'm cold. Look what I'm wearing. Definitely do not bring this type of clothes to the trip. Please. Anyways, time to get back on the road. Hey YouTube, we just got to our final destination for the second day. Made it kind of early, it's 3:39. I'm kind of happy because I was shivering all day. It was so cold and it was raining. It just stopped raining as soon as we got here. So yeah, my stuff is wet, everything's soaked. My phone's water damaged, so I'm just blow drying my phone. Hopefully it'll work because I really don't want to buy a new phone. Anyways, we're gonna relax, get some food, and just chill for the day until tomorrow. Tomorrow's the last day, so